we cut our install time by like 25% because of an idea that Andy had, the installer. During our company meetings, I would ask them, Andy McLean, I remember looking at him and saying, hey, Andy, like, if we change this and we get our labor lower, how does that affect our financials? What part of it? Well, it'd reduce our cost of sales, so it'd increase our gross profit, but it won't change our overhead. Andy was an installer when he said that. And it's like, if you can get them thinking like that, they start going. By the way, then we start teaching them lean management courses. And in lean management, which is an awesome thing, in this case, we paid a consultant to teach us at first. It cost like 10 grand to have him come in for 4 days to do it. And then after that, we learned it, and then we figured out how to apply it to air conditioning and plumbing. So then we taught it every year for like 4 years. Tyson was the guy that taught it for a long time. And so they would come with better, faster ways to do things. We cut our install time by like 25% because of an idea that Andy had, the installer, who's sitting there in the lean management course, and we're using stopwatches to see how long it takes to do each function and each task, and we do it in the off season. And so your own team starts coming up with these ideas on their own when they start understanding the financials and understanding business. And it doesn't matter if they're a tech or everything else. And quite frankly, if they ever want to grow up and start their own business, they can do it at that point. And they feel like you're investing in them and you care.